Okay, hi there. So I'm Francis. I run a platform called the Notion Bar, and I'm also a massive pop culture junkie. Disclaimer: I've never watched Love Island before, but I know everyone is obsessed with it. So I thought, what better way to learn about the show than by tracking it all in Notion? And so Notion is a piece of software for those of you that don't know. And so basically, while I was watching this first episode, I built this dashboard, which I'm going to walk you through quickly. And the idea is that this dashboard will change over time. There's going to be a link to it in whatever tweet you see this video in. And so you can download it and get the link in your email and just kind of get a nice little rundown of each episode, that kind of a thing. And so, yeah, this is going to change over time. And my only rule with this build project is I'm not gonna edit it outside each episode because it's not that deep. So any changes I make to the dashboard will be done within each episode. And so yeah, I'm just going to walk you through it quickly. I've got episode 1, and if you click into it, you're going to see just a quick template dashboard that I made, and the final matches for this episode were Jake and Liberty, Toby and Kaz, Brad and Faye, Hugo and Sharon, and Aaron and Shannon. And to be honest, this is my current vibe leaderboard. I created it by sorting by the vibe check tag here. And to be honest, none of them are really vibing for me. I think Jake and Liberty are the closest so far, followed by maybe Toby and Kaz and maybe Brad and Faye, but all their conversations were pretty nondescript, to be honest. And so yeah, this is just filtered for anything that contains final match. And then down here you have the OMG moments, and this is filtered by anything that's episode 1 and contains OMG. And then down here you have all of the updates in the show. Faye got matched 3 times today, which is wild. I don't know. I'm not gonna hate on a woman or anything like that, but I don't know. She wasn't like, oh my gosh, I couldn't see why everyone was picking her. But anyway, she had 3 matches today, and so the updates were just kind of going through what happened. And then at the end, this girl called Chloe came along, and now there's an odd number, and so someone's going to be single. Next episode, drama. And so I'm going to set this up for episode 2, which will be tomorrow. So I'm just going to do episode 2, which will be tomorrow. And if I click into it like this, it's going to create a nice little dashboard for me to get started. This is empty, of course, but because it's filtered correctly, it's going to automatically tag it with episode 2. And yeah, this is just a template that I've set up in here, which filters each of these databases. These are linked views of the update database. Yeah, and each of these in the template are filtered for the name of the template, so that when I click it, when I create a new template or new episode in here, when I hit the template button, it will automatically add those databases so that they filter for all the correct things. And see how the updates work is that I'll go in here, create a new update, and then attach the contestants based on who was involved with the update. And also tag it appropriately, and if it will end up in the appropriate sections like that. I'm going to delete that because it's irrelevant. And yeah, down here we have all of the contestant profiles. Like, I made a little dashboard in here for the episodes. I'm going to make a little dashboard for the contestants tomorrow because it's not that deep. And over here, so far, we've got all of the updates so far. Once I give this page a little refresh, wahoo! And so yeah, right now I'm just going to create a little view for each episode and keep it going. That is my Love Island dashboard so far. Stick around if you want updates. And I might add a property here, like predicted winner. Aaron, I think he's going home. Like, he's just very I don't know, or even Brad, like, he's just not very interesting. Toby, beware of everyone. Hugo, everyone keeps saying he's a bit of a wet blanket, but you know what? He's a nice guy, and I think he's actually going to be one to watch in this. And of course, we all love Kaz because she's great. But it'd be interesting to see how everything develops. Love Island newbie. Let's go. Again, if you want to follow this whole journey, then yeah.